Sprinkle the dough with semolina and transfer it to your work surface. Then lightly dust the top with flour. First, gently press the dough with your fingertips from the center, pushing the air toward the edges. Then stretch the dough as shown in the video. Spread about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce evenly over the pizza. Next, distribute the mozzarella evenly, add the prosciutto cotto, and finally arrange the thinly sliced fresh mushrooms on top. Remember to leave the edges of the dough free of toppings. Bake the pizza for approximately 1 to 1.5 minutes at around 460 degrees Celsius, 860 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy!